Hey everybody, in this video we are looking at section 4 example 3, that is solving a rational inequality. For more in-depth detail explanation, check example 1, section 4 example 1, specifically on this series, or for most breakdown detail and explanation, start off by watching section 3 example 1, solving a polynomial inequality. But until then, let's just dive into it and get this one started. Here we don't have 0 on one side already, and that is a key piece of doing this successfully. So I'm going to have to get 2 onto the left, and I will also get a common denominator. So I have x plus 1 over x plus 3. I'm going to subtract that 2 over, right? Subtracting the 2 over, greater than or equal to 0, and I will find the common denom, and I will multiply on top and bottom by x plus 3. There are implied parentheses always around the numerator and denominator. We don't always need to write them. My common denominator, x plus 3, I have one of them on bottom. It doesn't turn to 0, God forbid. Do not do that. X plus 1 on top, distribute please the negative or the minus and the 2. Minus 2x and minus 6 greater than equal to 0. Combining like terms on top, and we have negative x minus 5 in the numerator, and we have x plus 3 in the denominator greater than or equal to 0. And now we are on the same page as we were for examples 1 and 2. So just to get the key information down, x-intercept, I'm going to set the numerator equal to 0, add 5, divide by negative, so that's 0 comma negative 5. It was a factor to the first power, so it's going to have, oops, I'm not even showing my work, so let me, well, I'm not showing work, but x-intercept, so that'll be at negative 5, 0 with a linear local behavior. Vertical asymptote from my denominator, that's going to be at x equals negative 3, and that's also odd local behavior. Then my y-intercept, plugging in 0 for x, and I'll get 0 comma negative 5 thirds. Negative 5 thirds is negative 1.6 repeating. And my end behavior, leading term over leading term, y equals negative 1. Careful you don't accidentally put positive 1. I kind of see things like that more often than not. And now a quick sketch over here, not going to be the best sketch, but actually, let's go back a tiny bit. I really need more of this. So I have negative 5, I have negative 3, I have end behavior, I have my y-intercept. So with all that, well, one branch has to be here and one branch has to be there. All of that will meet the needs. This is negative 3, negative 5. Okay, so I want to know when exactly is this greater than or equal to 0, and really it's just this piece over here. So what is the final answer? So here, oops, come back. So this part up until there. So my answer to end this problem, bracket negative 5 comma negative 3 parenthesis, and that should be it. So hopefully I didn't make any mistakes there. If that was too fast for you, you gotta rewind, go back and watch examples 1 and 2 to make sure you fully understand, or you can go and check the playlist for how to graph a rational function and go through some examples from that playlist there. If you got it good and you're happy, go ahead, give the video a thumbs up. Questions, comments, concerns, feedback, requests go in the comments section. If you hated everything, go ahead, put a thumbs down. Check the playlist, check the description box for more playlist info. And that's it for now. Adios.